It's recording. Come on. I'm DRDZ.
And I'm TokyoStylez.
I'm in my prime, optimist. Sagittarius, so you know I'm an optimist. Man, keep it all real, I'm a prophetess. So at least you took a L off your bucket list. It's time to make hits and it's time to diss. How you still diss?
And we are doing our very first YouTube video. Like and subscribe, that's what they be saying.
Yeah. I gotta watch a YouTube video because right now. Yeah.
Yes, okay, y'all. We about to do this we're about to do a hairstyle inspired by Cardi B when she had the pink hair and the pink hair with hearts inside them. And it's basically our Valentine's Day hair. We're trying to do something a little special every month.
Bruh.
That's all you gonna say?
I don't know what to say.
Yeah, stay tuned.
So here we just have Terenzio installing my wig, prepping it for the heart hairstyle. So he's going to put down some House of Dior pearl paste to lay my legs down, and then customize the part, the hairline, and get everything prepared for the actual styling. The first step after your wig installation is getting a good side part. Then you're going to get it into two ponytails, nice and sleek.
My name is TokyoStylez. I am 20 years old. I'm telling nobody, I'm only 21. No, I'm not. But anyways, I don't know what else to say.
You talk about yourself.
I'm originally from Houston. I moved to Georgia this year. I'm familiar with Georgia. Just come back here during the summers, and me moving here is how I met her through hair.
Hair. Again, I'm DRDZ, and I'm from St. Louis, and I moved to Atlanta 2 years ago, I think. And I met Terenzio in July or August.
Yeah, one of those.
Yeah, I saw him on Twitter. He was going viral on Twitter. And I'm like, oh my god, I gotta get my hair done by him. And then the day that I booked my hair appointment, I didn't know that he didn't braid hair. So I had to find somebody to braid my hair. He was so nice about, like, most people, like, if you don't come prepared how they want you to do it, well, hairstylists, they be on some bullshit. I'm like, alright, well, you know. But he was like, it's okay. He was like very patient, and it just, like, honestly, it made me, like, I don't know, I just want to be around him more.
That's nice.
Yeah, you didn't know that? And he was just so sweet. And most hairstylists, they be having attitudes. He do be having attitude, but not with me. Yeah. And we just been at it ever since, and we trying to do some crazy hairstyles. 2021, we trying to go viral.
Yes, ma'am. But are we gonna bring out the yellow?
Yeah, so we want to get yellow so bad.
Yes, because I dyed this hair, y'all. She brought this wig last year, right before Christmas, like, and I dyed it. And then the day before, was it the day before or the day?
The day of.
She brought another wig, and she was like, I don't think I want to do yellow. And I was like, really?
Really? And that was my birthday.
On my knees, actually. Kinda.
We'll do that one. But I think we should do the yellow for what's that holiday called?
Easter?
Mm-mm.
I don't know any other holidays coming up.
St. Patrick's Day.
What is that?
I feel like we should do it for St. Patrick's Day because it's like
Oh,
the
that's
colors.
the green. That's the no, it's St. Patrick, the green day.
Yeah.
Oh. That's correct. With the leprechauns, yeah.
Yes, with the leprechauns and stuff. So I'm thinking that'll go.
Yeah, that'll be cool.
Cause I want for Easter, I want like to do 3 tones. Yeah, 3-tone pastels.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
And we could actually reuse this wig.
Yeah, because it's already light.
Right, and then put the other color in there. Did I send you the picture like that already? It's pink at the top, I believe, and then it's purple and like a purple pastel, like lavender, and then like a teal blue.
Never seen it.
Okay, I'm gonna send it to you. I think I did. You just probably seen it. Okay, y'all, stay tuned. Is that what they were saying?
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
It's on the beach, it's on the beach, it's on the beach, it's on the beach.
So he's just going to braid my hair into 3 different braids using the wig hair, and he's using some hair that we got off Amazon that was pretty close to the color. It was a little bit darker, but it blended pretty well with the hair. As you can see, there's 3 braids. There's like a big braid, a medium-sized braid, and a skinny braid. And he's just going to do that to the other side. So this is what it looks like before we put the hearts on. So your braids do not have to be perfect. They don't have to be pretty, just good enough. So now he's just going to use the braids, but he's only going to use those 2 braids, the medium sized one and that bigger braid, to wrap the heart around the hair. And this is going to keep the hair stable. And here we have the final look. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you guys like and subscribe.